1 0
RCP.
plus 1
PS1 on ground, its strap-ons ignited.
So
Five,
PS1 ignited,
six,
vehicle
seven,
lifted off
eight,
safely from the
nine,
umbilical tower.
10 seconds
Auto tracking.
PSLV बिल्कुल आकाश की ओर
15
हमारे
seconds.
अथक प्रयासों की परिणत एक ऐतिहासिक घटनाक्रम हमारी
20
आंखों के
seconds.
सामने साकार होता होगा। एक कहानी, एक कल्पना यथार्थ में
25
बदलती
seconds.
देश को एक स्वतंत्र भारत में ही विकसित प्रादेशिक नवगन
30
उपग्रह
seconds.
प्रणाली का अस्तित्व सामने लाता हुआ हमारा PSLV जिसकी
35
गड़गड़ाहट से समूचा आकाश थर्राता हुआ और लगता है जैसे अंतरिक्ष की
40
गहराई कम पड़ रही है।
So PSLV air lift
Plus
strap-ons at
45
25 seconds. This plant has been ignited. Now the vehicle is moving with the first stage and the 6
plus 50
solid
seconds.
strap-ons. And the
Performance
time is
normal.
around 52 seconds.
plus 55 seconds.
And it has crossed a range of around 11 kilometers. So at
Plus
70
1
seconds we should have the separation of the ground lead strap-ons, followed by the separation of the air lead strap-ons at 90 seconds. So right now the time is 68.8 seconds.
Ground lit strap-on
Yes, the
separated.
ground lead strap-on has been separated. You can see on your screens the 4 ground lead strap-ons, a trace of the strap-ons being seen in the clear sky that is right now. In another 8 seconds to go for the confirmation on the separation of the air lead strap-on. 88.8 seconds. The vehicle is at an altitude of
Air lead
almost
strap-on separated.
yes, we have the
First
confirmation.
performance
Air lead
normal.
strap-on has been successfully separated at 92 seconds, and the vehicle presently is at an altitude of around 50 kilometers. It has crossed one of the most complex atmospheric regime of flight which every launch vehicle encounters.
जी हाँ, प्रथम चरण के इग्निशन के प्रज्वलन के पश्चात लगातार आकाश की ओर
PS1
बढ़ता
stage
हुआ
separated. PS2 engine started.
PS जो प्रथम चरण था वो अलग हो चुका है, पृथक हो चुका है, और उसके बाद द्वितीय चरण भी प्रज्वलित हो चुका है। हम लगभग इस समय 123 सेकंड व्यतीत कर चुके हैं।
Second stage performance normal.
So first stage separated at 110 seconds, and the second stage, which is a liquid stage, successfully ignited.